Maduru Oya is a national park established in dry zone of the Sri Lanka, although southern boundary is near the intermediate zone. This park is established under the Mahaweli development project. Maduru Oya National Park is a sanctuary to wildlife, including endemic fauna and flora. Indigenous ethnic group of Sri Lanka lives within the park boundary. Maduru Oya Dam is an irrigation dam built across Maduru Oya. The embankment dam measures 1,090 meters in length, 41 meters in height and creates the Maduru Oya Reservoir. This reservoir has a catchment area of 453 square meters and capacity of 596 billion cubic meters. These picturesque sun-rising video and photos were captured by Professor Sarath Perera on 26 December 2021, early in the morning.